Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to charge fixed PayPal fee for PayPal payment gateway in WooCommerce WordPress checkout page. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. If customers select PayPal payment gateway, then we are going to charge fixed PayPal fees. Now scroll down on left side you see plugin, so click on add new. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. On left side you see WooCommerce, and then you see setting, so open it, and we are going to find out PayPal payment gateway ID. Now go to WooCommerce setting and then click on payment tab. Now scroll down, you see PayPal payment gateway, so click on it. Now in URL you see section is equal to ppcp, and then you see gateway, so this is PayPal payment gateway ID. Now back to edit code. Now you see create additional fixed fee for a PayPal payment gateway, and then you see PayPal payment gateway ID we use. Now you see ppcp gateway, and then you see text additional fixed PayPal fee 5. So this is fixed amount, so you can add 10, 15, 22 according to your requirement. So we are going to charge fixed amount 5 for PayPal payment gateway if customer select in checkout page. Now scroll down, this code is for refresh the checkout on payment method change, and again scroll, you see display fee amount next to payment method title. Now you see we use PayPal payment gateway ID, and then you see class we use custom PayPal fee. So this is number 5 because we are going to charge $5. Now go to additional CSS section, and then you see class custom PayPal fee, padding, border, margin, background color. So you can find CSS in video description or in comment section. Now back to edit code. So we added CSS for this class, and scroll up in code. We are going to charge $5. So you can add number according to your requirement, and you will find code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see sub method, auto sell, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now add product in cart, so click on add to cart. Now you see product price 10, and then click on view cart. Now we are in cart page and scroll down, you see cart total 10, and then click on proceed to checkout. Now we are in checkout page and scroll down, click on continue, again click on continue, and then you see product price 10. Now direct bank transfer payment method selected. Now select cash on delivery. Now scroll up, you see subtotal 10, and then you see PayPal, and now you see 5. So we added this using code, and then select PayPal. Now loading. Now scroll up, you see subtotal 10, additional fixed PayPal fee $5 we are going to charge, and then you see total 15. So in this way you can charge additional fixed PayPal fee for PayPal payment gateway in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.